In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss in operator in SQL Server. The SQL Server in operator is used to check the values in the given list. If value match, then it will display. It is alternative of multiple OR operator in select, insert, update and delete commands. First of all, you need to open the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. I have already opened the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and next I will create a database metro demo and select the query, execute the query, okay, and then use the database metro demo and execute the query, okay. Next I will create a table employee with the 4 columns emp id int emp name varchar 50 emp city varchar 50 emp email varchar 50 and select the query and execute the query, okay. Command completed successfully means I have successfully created the employee table, and I will insert 3 records inside the employee table with the help of insert command. Insert into employee values 1 Ahmed Noida, Ahmed @gmail.com. Select the query and execute the query, okay. First record successfully inserted inside the employee table, and then copy the query and then paste here, right here to Amita Noida Amita @gmail.com, and then select the query and execute the query, okay. Next I will paste the next query here and right here 3 Sandeep and Delhi Sandeep @gmail.com, and select the query and execute the query, okay. Third record inserted successfully inside the employee table, and next I will use the in operator here, right here the select star from employee table where emp name in Ahmed and Sandeep, okay, and then execute the query. It will display the Amit and Sandeep record here because I have given Amit and Sandeep inside the in operator, and next select star from employee where emp name in right here Amita, okay. select it. It will display the record Amita. Look here, means you will specify the name here inside the in operator. It will display that records here. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.